Today we are going to cook ugali, and I have put 5 cups of water and let it to boil. As you can see here, and we are letting it boil. It's remaining few minutes to let it pop to reach the 100 degrees Celsius for boiling. Flour. This is 1, this is 2, and this is and a half. Then I mix with a cooking stick to let it cook, so that it cannot, the flour cannot remain when I squeeze in, when I fold in. So I add some more. Isikae ugali, isikae uji. So I add it more. Now fold in properly one side. Fold in. See the way it looks like uji, but then it will turn out to be ugali. And more. See the way it look like. Just add a little. Let it not be so kiwa na unga. It has become somehow soft. Don't put a lot of flour, just put enough. For 4 cups of water, it's going to 3 cups. So if it is 5 cups, you put 4 cups of flour. So just put like this, then you squeeze like it becomes a ball like shape. Let it cool evenly. Squeeze like it becomes a ball like shape. Let it cool evenly and let it cook for around 10 to 30 minutes, and I'll let it show you when I serve with some cabbages, mixed cabbages and greens. This is the final result, ugali, that I have garnished with green pepper, stir-fried vegetables, which I have put oil and onions and tomatoes, then put the greens and the cabbage, then garnished with carrots, then seasoned with salt. Thank you for watching. Till next video. Bye.